it's really exciting to partner with Fenton on this sustainability initiative. For us, our passion is bees and beekeeping. We like to share the art of beekeeping and the importance of pollinators, the other people in our community. It's an exciting day. This is our installation day here at Fenton. We are installing 2 honeybee colonies. Today is just the introduction of the bees to their new location.
So inside this cap, you can see that beautiful flow of liquid gold honey.
Honey coming out.
Wow.
No way!
Now they chew away.
Wow, that's
You got
spectacular.
this.
No
He's
way.
trying so.
The partnership between Fenton and Buddha Bee Apiary. These guys are the real experts that came and gave us our bee workforce.
25,000 bee foraging force are now going to be pollinating within a 3-mile radius, but beyond that, we're also going to be educating and advocating for bees and sharing that with the community at Fenton.
And ultimately contributing to the micro ecosystem that we've got here in Cary, North Carolina.